Hey good people, it's Sheena. Welcome back to my channel. So today I decided to do my very first clean with me video. I've been wanting to do this for a while, but y'all, I was like, I don't want to show my house because it's not like aesthetically pleasing all over. Like, yes, we worked on our family room, but that's about it. So, I'm like, I don't have all the fancy cleaning equipment I see a lot of people using. I got these cabinet doors that are hard to close. Meanwhile, people in the videos are having soft closed doors. So I got to thinking like, I can't be the only person that has a home that's not aesthetically pleasing, but they still like to keep it clean. And it made me think about how grateful I am for my home and the memories. A lot of what I have now are moments I've really prayed for. With that being said, it's okay if your home is not aesthetically pleasing. Shoot, I don't even look aesthetically pleasing right now. But we're going to go ahead and tidy up. We're not decluttering. I'm not organizing anything. Growing up, I think we called this straightening up. But let's get on with this video and I'll be back soon. I really need to go ahead and invest in a vacuum cleaner. I'm hoping soon we can finish painting this room, hang some pictures up, and hopefully get some new furniture. On to the bathroom. So this bathroom is set up kind of different. There are two ways to enter it, one through the hallway and one through our bedroom. I'm thinking we will probably just paint the tile in this bathroom, paint the walls, and replace the vanity with a double vanity. Right now it's one long vanity with a sink, but in the other part of this bathroom where the tub is, there's one more sink, a pedestal sink. So shout out to the people that have the tile, the pink tile, the blue tile, the beige tile, and the pedestal sink because they are a pain to clean. Listen, when you see that built-on soap dish or toothbrush holder, you know it's real. Okay, moving on to the family room. Normally here, only thing I have to do is pick up blankets and sweep. But because we had Christmas decorations up, there is a lot of glitter on the surfaces, so things need to be wiped down. I will also link in the description box and in the card above how we changed this room with paint and changing the ceilings when we first moved in. But other than that, this room is pretty easy to keep clean. So this is what the picture looks like after it's been sitting above the fireplace. It's been up here for about 2 years now. So I need to just keep an eye on it because obviously it's getting dirty from all the smoke coming up. So normally if I was just straightening up or tidying up the house, I would not clean the windows to the French doors, but I'm thinking I will be painting these French doors this weekend, so that'll be one less thing I have to do. When it comes to the kitchen, I normally don't have to do much. I have 2 kids, and normally my daughter takes care of the kitchen before she goes to bed and throughout the day since she's in college, so she has the time to do it. But yesterday was New Year's Day, and we had already cleaned up quite a bit, and it was a time where my husband was off from both of his jobs, so we decided to just not do anything. I gave my daughter the day off, and even though she cleans the kitchen, I still like to go in throughout the week and do my own cleaning as well. When it comes to working on this kitchen, we want to make sure we have the dedicated time. We worked on the kitchen in our old house. I have that link in the description box below as well. But with this kitchen, we will be keeping the cabinets and just refacing them, definitely painting them, and hopefully adding a breakfast nook as well. But like I said, we just want to make sure we have the dedicated time because it took us a while to do our old kitchen and it was smaller, and we did have a lot of work to do, but when you're working full-time jobs, it's just a lot. So hopefully we will get to the kitchen this year. made it to the end of the video, I just want to thank you so much for watching my very first clean with me. I hope this video was helpful and to let you know there is someone out there like you, that your home is not where you want it to be, but it is clean, and hopefully we can continue to make it the way we want it to look. Of course, I have the after shots because we don't know how long this will last. Until next time, take care.